Gamers and tech lovers. Today, interesting and the most exciting and rapidly growing industries in the world, gaming, are discussed. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore gamer, the gaming industry is exploding like never before. So, what's driving this massive growth? What trends are shaping the future of gaming? The global gaming industry is booming. In 2023, it's expected to generate over $200 billion in revenue, and it's not slowing down. With more than 3 billion gamers worldwide, gaming has become a universal language connecting people across borders, ages, and backgrounds. One of the biggest trends driving this growth is mobile gaming. With smartphones in nearly everyone's hands, mobile games have become incredibly popular. From casual games like Candy Crush to multiplayer battle royales like PUBG Mobile, mobile gaming now accounts for more than half of the gaming market. What makes mobile gaming so special? It's all about accessibility. You don't need a high-end console or gaming PC to play anymore. Just pull out your phone and you're in the game, no matter where you are. And with games constantly evolving, mobile gaming is only going to get bigger. But while mobile gaming is massive, there's another trend that's changing the way we think about gaming: cloud gaming. Services like Google Stadia, Xbox Cloud Gaming, and GeForce Now let you stream high-quality games directly to your device without needing expensive hardware. It's like Netflix, but for video games. Imagine playing your favorite AAA games on your phone or tablet without the need for a high-powered console. Cloud gaming makes that possible, and as internet speeds improve, more players are going to ditch traditional gaming setups for the convenience of the cloud. And then there's the rise of esports and game streaming, which have taken gaming to a whole new level. Competitive gaming isn't just a hobby anymore, it's a global phenomenon. Games like League of Legends and Fortnite have created entire ecosystems of professional players, massive tournaments, and millions of fans. Esports is now a multi-billion-dollar industry, with top players becoming celebrities and streaming platforms like Twitch and YouTube Gaming, giving gamers a space to shine. Whether you're watching pros battle it out in tournaments or tuning into your favorite streamers' live sessions, gaming is more interactive and community-driven than ever before. Finally, let's talk about the future virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. These technologies are revolutionizing how we experience games. With VR, you can fully immerse yourself in a virtual world, while AR brings the game to you by overlaying digital elements into your real-life surroundings. Although VR and AR gaming are still in their early stages, they've already shown incredible potential. The feeling of being inside a game, interacting with the environment, and exploring virtual worlds is something that can't be described, it has to be experienced. So, where is the gaming industry headed? It's growing, evolving, and reaching new heights every day. Whether it's the rise of mobile games, the future of cloud gaming, or the excitement of esports and VR, the possibilities are endless. Gaming has become more than just a pastime. It's a way to connect, compete, and create. And with technology advancing faster than ever, the future of gaming is something we can all look forward to. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the incredible world of gaming. If you're as excited about where the gaming industry is headed as I am, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Keep playing, keep exploring, and stay tuned for more gaming adventures.